Now, you guys have been dragging me. You guys have been dragging me by my wig on this channel. Like, Dikan, please, can you recommend some good shower gels for us for a soft and glowy skin? And thankfully, I am here with the video today, but unfortunately, my edges are already gone. But that's what this is. This is a recommendation video for shower gels for soft, supple, and glowy skin. Channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Coco, and I am your glow plug on YouTube. I film videos like this one. I film product recommendations, skincare tips and tricks, and everything to just get you to your highest glow level. That is what I do. My desire is for you to look radiant, and you will look radiant whether you like it or not. And hey, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back in. You guys have my heart, you know. You guys make me so happy. I see the numbers growing. I've been seeing you guys. I've been seeing all the love and support. I appreciate you guys. I've been seeing all the comments. Sometimes I can't get to reply all of them, but I try my best to reply every comment that I see. And sometimes I don't know, YouTube tricks me. They don't drop the comments on time, and then I later see a comment. I'm like, when did this happen? But you guys, I try my best to get to all your comments. Please forgive me if I have not responded to some of your questions and all of that. I will get to it, I promise you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're not subscribed, this is your minute, this is your moment. You have the floor. Definitely make sure that you're subscribed. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. What else? Thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content, and also let me know that you like my content. And now let's get into the recommendation for shower gels for soft, supple, glowy, and radiant skin. Now, my top shower gel for a soft and supple skin is the Dove Nourishing Secret Invigorating Ritual Body Wash, and that is the avocado and calendula one. You guys know I love that shower gel. Anytime I'm purchasing that shower gel, it's always like 4 to 5 bottles at once. I don't want to hear that I ran out of shower gel, because I really love that one. I love the smell, I love the texture, I love how soft my skin feels after I've showered. Everything basically about that shower gel is 100% for me. If you can get your hands on that shower gel, you would love it. You would love how your skin feels. You will love how your skin smells. Definitely look up the Dove Invigorating Ritual Body Wash with calendula and avocado. You're gonna love it. When you do get it and actually love it, come drop a comment down below and let me know that I plugged you to the right thing. Now, my next top shower gel is from the brand called Bioderma, and I love 2 of their shower products, which is their Bioderma Atodem shower douche. This one is an ultra gentle shower gel, and also the Bioderma Atodem Heal the Douche. I hope I'm correct. And this is a shower oil. You guys know how I feel about shower oils. They just make your skin so soft, guys. I've never seen anything like that. Now, these 2 products I love from Bioderma. They come in a 1 liter bottle, generous amount. I love it. The price is quite affordable in my opinion for the quantity of products that you're getting. I'm going to leave a dollar equivalent of how much I buy it for. This shower gel is lovely on the skin. It just makes you feel like you've taken a proper shower. You know, there are times you just take your bath and you don't feel it. Every time you take your bath with the Bioderma shower gel and the shower oil, you're definitely going to feel it. Now, how I use this too is I use the shower gel first, and just before I get out of the shower, I just put the shower oil on my body to make it just go around, and then I rinse off, and I'm off feeling soft, supple, smelling nice and mild. I just love it, guys. I love it so much. And if you do get your hands on it, you're definitely going to come back with a testimonial. You're going to love it on your skin. And Bioderma is also a medical grade skincare product, which is even better for your skin. So I would advise you look up the Bioderma shower product, that is the Atodem shower gel, and the Bioderma Atodem Heal the Douche. I hope I'm correct with the pronunciation once again. Now, the next shower gel I want to recommend in this video today is also a medical grade shower gel, and it's from the brand called Topicreme. You guys know I love Topicreme. I love their products. I love their Melalite lotion, and also their ultra moisturizing lotion. But this one is their ultra moisturizing shower gel. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen, of course. Lovely, guys. That shower gel, also like the Bioderma one, they have a lot of similarities, if I want to say that. But yeah, it is also gentle on the skin, very mildly and softly fragrant, nothing overbearing. You're just gonna love the feel on your skin. You're gonna love the product, let me not say much, it is great on the skin. If you get your hands on it and your money is right, definitely purchase that and you would love it. The next shower gel on my list, of course, is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen so you see the one I'm talking about. Now that product is lovely on the skin as well, lightly scented, will not leave your skin feeling dry and flaky, gives you a nice moisturizing effect even when you just walked out of the shower. Now a shower gel like this would be great for dry skin because that would be the start of your moisturization process. I think it contains oatmeal, which is great for calming the skin, something like itchy skin and all of that. So you walk out of the shower not feeling stripped of all your natural oils, but your skin still feels healthy, hydrated and nourished. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash is also top on my list for shower gels for soft, supple, hydrated, glowy and radiant skin. Now Aveeno also carries other flavors of shower products. They have their stress relief shower gel. A lot of shower gels actually. You can definitely go for the one that works for you, but this is my top recommendation for shower gel from their line. Now the next shower gel I would like to recommend for a soft and supple and glowy skin is the Dettol body wash. Now for Dettol, they have 3 flavors that I love. They have the Revitalize, they have the Energize and also the Refresh. And my top one from these 3 is the Energize one. I feel like they're all the same thing with just different flavors. The Energize one feels great and smells nice and that's why I love it. And also you leave the shower not feeling stripped of all your natural oils, which is why I love the Dettol body wash as well. Now my next recommendation for shower gels for soft and glowy skin is the Neutrogena Rain Bath Refreshing Shower and Bath Gel, and this I love for specific reasons. Now I have loved Neutrogena products from my teenage days. They just work so well in mildly treating your skin issues. This one says awaken your senses with Neutrogena Rain Bath. It says to contain refreshing scents of spices and fruits, richly cleanses your skin and lathers well, and also helps to clean skin condition without residues. Now what I noticed about this shower gel is that it will cleanse your skin as well without leaving your skin feeling stripped. What I specifically love about this product is that it is a very refreshing and has this very herbal, I don't know, spicy tango going on. It's just very, I don't know, this product is sort of very refreshing for me and a breath of fresh air because my shower routine is greatly a part of my self-care routine. That is where I want to unwind and just feel great and take off all the stress. I love this shower gel because once I'm out of the shower, I feel energized, I feel better, I feel healthier. I don't know how this shower gel tangles with all my senses, but it just gives me this feel of very much relief, like it's just great. I love it so much and I love how my skin feels after I have used this product. Now the last shower gel I would like to recommend for a soft and glowy skin is a brightening one, and it is the Body Herbals Vitamin C Brightening Booster Orange Shower Gel. Now this shower gel contains orange essential oils that helps with skin brightening. Now you guys know that we love our brightening body products, and any citrusy ingredient going on is a great brightening situation for us. Of course I was going to include a brightening shower gel in this category because who am I? You guys know I am the queen of glowing and brightening your skin. Vitamin C is packed with a lot of brightening potential for our skin, so we love it here. So a shower gel like this one would get your skin looking bright after you've used it. Obviously not after the first use, but with consistent use you would get a lot of brightening effects on your skin. So that's about my recommendation as of this moment for shower gels that would brighten, glow and soften your skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any recommendation for us, please drop it in the comment section. If you have any question you would like to ask me or any video recommendation that you would like me to film, please drop it in the comment section. If you're wondering ways that you can support my channel and encourage the work that I do here, please share this video with your friends and family. Thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. It goes a long way in helping me grow. And make sure that you're subscribed if you're not, and click on the bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and as usual I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.